The ostrich is the largest bird in the world and cannot fly, but it is characterized by its great ability to run at speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. Here are some interesting facts about this wonderful bird. Size and weight. The height of the ostrich reaches 2.7 meters, and its weight reaches 156 kilograms. Natural environment. The ostrich lives in the grassy plains and deserts of Africa. Food. The ostrich feeds on plants, insects, and small reptiles. Eggs. The ostrich lays large eggs that can weigh up to 1.4 kilograms and is equivalent to about 24 chicken eggs. Lifespan. The ostrich can live up to 40 to 45 years. In addition to these facts, the ostrich has very large eyes that give it excellent vision to monitor its surroundings and detect predators. As mentioned earlier, the ostrich can run at speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest bird on land. It can also maintain this speed for long distances. Strong legs. The ostrich's legs are not only long and strong, but they also contain sharp claws that are used to defend itself against predators. Sharp vision. Thanks to its large eyes, the ostrich has an exceptional ability to see, as it can see up to 3.5 kilometers away. Ability to withstand harsh conditions. The ostrich can survive for long periods without water and relies on the plants it eats to get most of its water needs. Social communication. Ostriches usually live in small groups, and they are social creatures that interact with each other through sounds and signals. Diverse environment. Although they prefer to live in grassy plains and deserts, the ostrich can adapt to a wide range of environments, including open forests. The ostrich is truly an exceptional bird with unique abilities and features that set it apart from other birds.